adventure has started. We're finally here on the Solar Decathlon campus, the Solar campus, all together with all the other teams. We've been working for almost 3 years on this project, and now it's the moment. We're now starting the assembly period and then go on to the competition. We arrived on Wednesday on a PVSB bus directly to represent Eindhoven. We unloaded and actually got to live together with all the other teams. It's been quite some settling, and it's been so fun so far already. And yesterday we had the opening ceremony for the assembly, the groundbreaking ceremony where we walked from the city center all the way to the Solar campus with all the teams. And we had the opening ceremony here at the Alte Glaserij, and it's been just so emotional for everyone. Now it's the moment to start building, so follow the process together with me and all the team members. But first thing first, we have Gubbels that is helping us setting up the site with laser measurements, so every single piece of the house is where it should be. So we're lucky to have them doing the laser measurements with us, and that's also why we're wearing this upside down. That's not because I made a mistake, it's just it kind of bothers the laser otherwise. So yeah, let's see where the next step is. The progress on the site has been amazing. Everybody's really hyped, and the structure got up very, very fast, and now we have all the roof panels placed, so we have almost a complete house, we could say. And Sven is up there directly on the roof. Sven, how was it to set up the site together with Boels?
It was very nice. We made a zero emission construction site, so that actually means that we can generate our own electricity over here.
Cool.
And yesterday we did full preparation, and it actually went quite smooth. All the work got in like 1.5 to 2 hours, and we could allow them in the same time. So it was a very effective day yesterday.
Nice. And today you're standing on the roof, so that's even better.
Yeah, I did not expect it to do this in the morning shift today.
And we've done it.
Yeah.
High five from the air.
Yes.
Woo! Nice.
Nice.